everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've came up with a haul video again. So today's haul video is Myntra end of recent sale, which was like held few days ago, or I don't know how many days ago, but then yeah, so I've shopped from there and I wanted to do the haul for so long, but then I couldn't manage time, and finally I did. And then it's not a big haul, it was like 4 kurtis. So yeah, it's a short haul, but the kurtis are superb. In around like 1500 or something I got 3 kurtis, and which is really amazing, which I'm going to show you, and those are really good. I'm going to provide the links of those kurtis so that you guys can buy that as well. So yeah, if you want to know what I bought from like a Myntra sale, you just can stay tuned till the end and check out what I bought. So without wasting the time, let's just jump into the video and let's start the haul. So the first thing that I bought from Myntra end of recent sale was this kurti. This is a kurti, and it's like this, white. It's a printed kurti, and this is the simple one among all the 4 kurtis. This is the simple one. It has like white, everything is white, and then it has print of pink, which is really amazing, and it has button detailing going on here in pink buttons, and has a collar, and the material is soft. Again, you can see it's very soft and squeezy, and this is in the size S. In my previous haul, a lot of you guys requested me, a lot of my friends also requested me to show you wearing these kurtis, like how they fits in me and all that thing. So I'll be doing that. I mean, second one is a black color kurti. ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैंने कहीं से कुछ शॉपिंग किया हो और उसमें ब्लैक ना हो. Not possible. Black is my favorite color. So this one is like printed all over. These are prints, but it looks like embroidery from like far, which attracts me, and I knew it was like embroidery, so I bought this one, and this one is so amazing. I mean, like favorite one, like beautiful, like it has that traditional touch to it. I mean, just look at the print, that right amount of print, obviously not in all the body and sort of thing, but it has. But then I mean, I don't know, there is something good about this. And this is from the brand Vishuddh. Yeah, this is from the brand Vishuddh, and the print even in the back, usually kurtis doesn't have that one, like, but that is what I like. This has detailing going on in the like this part as well, and the slit is like this long, which is good, and it again has button detailing going on, but then it has a neck which comes till here, which is a good thing. I mean, not too low, not too high, so which is amazing. And again, I loved it. You can pair this up with pink like leggings, or pink would go with this. And yeah, so this
setbacks, you can't win them all, but I'm proud I tried. I'm glad we had a dialogue. It's good to shape the mind, speeding up the pace, turning up the heat, where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away.
And the next kurti that I bought from Myntra is in a navy blue color. This one is like full to traditional. I mean full to traditional. I'll just show you in that how you'll get a idea. This one, see, this is what I like about it. This is so cool idea. I mean, this is good. And yeah, it is also cotton material, I think, and it has some details going on in the hand, and then a border of red color. It has button and a slit here, and it doesn't have buttons in the neck portion, but it again has a detailing going on in the neck like this with a red border, just like in the hand. And it has a slit type of neck till here. And the best thing that I like about this is that the portion, I mean the reason that I bought this is this one. You know, at the side you have this tiny border of red color, and in between that you have the detailing going on of that gold color, gold printing, and again you know, like a pom-pom over here, which is beautiful. It is long. It comes till, I mean, I need to alter this. This is too loose for me, too loose. As you can see, this is not my size, but still it was S. Again, it's S, but still it's too big for me. I need to alter it, and I need to alter it, you know, carefully, because I cannot just ruin this design. So I need to go to a good tailor and tell them what my, you know, what my requirements are, and if he can fix it, then I'll have to get that. So all of the kurtis I need to alter, and this was from the brand Vishuddh again, and in size S. So you'll be seeing how am I looking in this one after a while. So yeah. So the next kurti that I bought, it's not from Myntra, but it's a gift from my mother to me, and it's in pink color. Without talking much, let's just jump into the next one. So the next kurti is this one. Again, a very traditional thing, and it has glass which reflects. I am super good, and because of these glass, this kurti is like heavy as hell. I mean, yeah, this kurti is like this, but it's in this size. I don't know where she bought it from, but yeah, this has a 3/4 sleeve and a border of, you know, like this beige color, and again and this size you can see. Can you see? I mean, I don't know how she thought that I might fit into this XL size, whereas I wear XS. Anyway, that's I need to alter this. And this is a plain kurti, but has this detailing going on, which is like glass, and then embroidery, not embroidery, but then there are tassel work, not tassels also, I don't know what to call them, but then yeah, whatever it is really beautiful till the end. And at the end there is a big border like this with a beige color, and that's it. This is what it looks.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'm keeping my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once.
I hope you guys liked it. If you really did, then you know what you need to do. You need to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, comment down below, and what else do you need to do? You need to press the bell icon as well, and also share this video with your friends so that all the people get to know about the kurtis and they can buy as well. So yeah, till then, love yourself. I love you all. Bye.